Balak ko pa naman pumunta sa grocery. Yes, there's a lot of bird passing by. Actually, that's the view from the window. Yesterday, the bird is so happy, but now look at them. Grabe, no? Kaya kailangan paglabas mo, matibay-tibay yung susuotin. Otherwise, lalamigin ka talaga. Kasi may kasamang hangin na siya eh. Another one. Oh no! Look at that! I'll show you guys. Look. See? Pag humangin siya, no? Here, there's a lot of birds in this tree.